Fort Lauderdale with a local time of 9:48 a.m. Please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened and your carry items stowed until the aircraft is parked at the gate and the captains turn out the seatbelt sign. Use caution when opening overhead bins to prevent entry from any items that may have shifted during flight. You may now use your mobile devices. Before you leave the
Fort Lauderdale Airport. We're just waiting for more arrivals and then we're out. Okay, I will shoot again once so we're on the bus with everyone else. See. We're about to leave. See you on the ship.
Conquest fits in the Honda.
Okay, so we just checked in. Now we're heading to the terminal.
Starting at $5.
I have a lot of those. Sweet lounge.
Good morning, how are you? Sailaway party?
Thank you. Thank you. Sailaway party.
Okay, I need to see it.
Oh,
Oops, sorry. Now each person needs to hold their own ticket.
thank you.
Okay, enjoy your food.
We're here. I'll take mine, honey. It'll be easier. You take yours, I'll take mine. Until we get upstairs. Okay, we're heading up. We're on our way. Ready, honey? And we're platinum this time, so that's awesome. Yeah. Thank you. No problem, baby.
good.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Okay, we're here. Thank you. Here we go. Take a little one, yeah, that's fine.
There's your luggage going in.
That's so you can eat more.
Yeah.
We are on the Harmony of the Sea.
Yes, welcome aboard.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Okay, you got both bags? Give me one.
Let's go.
I want to see that big thing over there.
Fish papi.
Look on the lure. Starbucks used to be over there, now it's on the boardwalk.
That's good.
When are we gonna pick a seat?
Right inside there.
And a soda program, man.
Stop, please. Want to take a look? No. I'm not. I just want to take a look at it. Sorrento's. Look, this is where we have to come next. Look, next cruise.
You see the water slide over there. See it?
Yeah, we'll be up there in a minute. Let's go to Central Park.
You see anything right there?
Make a little love.
Remember the floating bar right there? The sport? Where did we do
Same thing on Anthem.
the Royal IQ is up.
Oh yeah, I have to log into that.
The room is over there.
There's Chops Grille. Yep, I gotta go and tell them which one it is. Oh, Frank, there's a line there. You still want to go? Or you want to go to the Windjammer? Look at the line, darling. Remember the first day is the worst day to come here? Yeah, that's fine. It is so warm and humid. I just want to put my bathing suit on and just get in there. Oh, we haven't done this in a while. Park Cafe, since Allure.
Okay.
Solarium Bistro. And they have some very nice, lovely selection. Nice breads, pastas. Paella. So we're gonna have that most likely. Fish and bread. Okay, so I got seafood paella. And they got some prosciutto, some cheeses, and he also got paella and chicken. What is that, honey? Is it good? Now let's see if you have your own signature way of eating so we can bookmark it. It's time lunch. We're going to the room now. As you can see, it's Saturday. Every day it changes, which is awesome. What is our room number then? Look at us, 6 set and sail pass. And it's raining. Great. Let's put set and sail pass. See what's our room? Oh, it's on the thing. 1, 2, 3. Right there. Mm-hmm. Yep. Let's go to the room. 14210. Let's find it. It's funny, you can tell the ones that haven't really been on cruises. They look familiar from something. No, that picture itself looks like something. Somebody will know what that is. I'll find out when I get off this. Go this way. I see it. Our matching luggage and my extra luggage that I decided to take at the last minute. That's why it's a whole wreck. I want to do that. Wait. Okay. This is our room. We're on deck 14, room 210. And we already have mail. Our luggage is already here. Okay.
That was rather quick.
And that was easy. Your wow band opens up your room.
Wow.
Oh, but we have to put the cards in the slot. Okay. Why is only one card? Frank Resta, where's my card? Okay. Put your card in there. You can... I'm gonna have to go down and say that we only got one card in the room, not two. So this is our room. We have an superior ocean balcony. As you can see, this is our balcony. And we have a view of the pier, and it's raining thunder, and there's the Carnival Conquest that we saw when we were arriving earlier. This is our balcony right here. Two nice lounger chairs. Our bed is by the door, which is what I wanted. Awesome. And you gotta bring it down so the air conditioner can turn back on. If you leave it up, it's not gonna turn on. We have to go down to guest services because I didn't get a card. Maybe it's outside. See if it's outside, sweetheart. My phone is ringing or your phone is ringing. One of the phones are ringing. Oh, there's my card.
Here's the opening one.
Nice. Okay, so on this cruise, we have become platinum status. So we have our platinum status pins. Oh, we have our meet and mingle also. See? Sunday, July 30th. Ooh. Spell my name, I looked to put it in the end. That's funny. All right. We're gonna lose the feet soon. Oh, okay, let me call now. It might not go through.
It was over there at the end.
That might be good. I don't know if I want mushroom soup. I was thinking of
Hello, good evening.
the lobster
How you guys
bisque.
doing? Welcome
Hi.
to Chops. I'm William. I'm going to be your waiter.
Hi, William.
Thank you all for coming. You'll be starting with some bottled water or regular ice water for you all.
I would have soda water with lemon. We have the soda
water,
program.
lemon?
Yeah.
Same
Yes,
for you?
please.
Alright.
Yes,
You have
please.
allergies to any food or anything?
None.
No?
Thank you. What are you thinking of, honey? I'm thinking I'll get the lobster bisque and
Would I like the lobster bisque?
you might not. You're very funny about creamy
What
soups.
about wild mushroom soup?
You might like that.
I'll try that.
And then I'm gonna have the 9-ounce filet mignon. And then as a sides, there's shareable portions, so we can choose maybe 2. The cream spinach, and then you choose something else. Okay, so here's the lobster bisque. It's delicious. Frank got them? Well, give me some soup.
Yeah.
Let's see you try it. Awkward much? Delicious.
Yummy.
So this is my shrimp cocktail. And Frank's charred bacon. Right into it. Let me know how it is. Go ahead.
Right now. Later.
Right now. Don't be shy. We'll just secretly laugh at you. Try it.
It does.
Well, it's bacon. Okay, so we ordered the filet mignon 9 ounces. I wanted mine medium well, but it's a little bit too well done. Still good, but I am so full. And we ordered some sides. We ordered the mashed potatoes with the cream spinach, but they bought the macaroni and cheese by mistake. So she bought us the mashed potatoes anyway. So that's why we have 3 sides there. And Frank ordered the filet mignon medium rare. How is that? Let me see the side of that. How is it? Turn it over. Let me see it.
You show up over your, like, more than 10%.
I think you like it redder than that.
It's good.
It's good like that? Well, you're gonna eat yours and then you're gonna come eat mine. Everything is so delicious, but I'm just so full from the lobster bisque and that one shrimp. I just couldn't finish it either. And I'm just so tired. We did not sleep last night at all. Like, we literally like packing, trying to get all the things into 2 suitcases. Didn't happen, so I just went back upstairs in my room. I emptied out my liquid suitcase, then I had like a bunch of stuff inside of it. Brought it down, took out some stuff from both suitcases, added more things I was gonna leave, bam, that's it. And then by the time we were done, we had to leave to the airport. So we had the first flight out of LaGuardia to Fort Lauderdale, so that's why I'm just so tired. But we have Greece tonight at 8:30.
We'll be there.
We'll try. I'll try to make it. Because we also have Greece for tomorrow at 10:30. I'd rather go today at 8:30. Then tomorrow we have the meet and mingle with the Cruise Credit meet and mingle. Then we have the Crown and Anchor Society, the Platinum Party afterwards at 10:30 at the Aqua Theater. The meet and mingle is at Dow's at 9:45 tomorrow morning. I'll be there early. So, how was that steak, Frank? Look, you just tore that up. Take the steak here to eat it. Take this one. And then they say there's room for dessert. No, sir. No dessert. I'd rather have a coffee.